you? Okay. We are just gonna fix our audio. I know, that's the beauty of a live show, especially the beauty of a pageant, which is all the beauties for a cause. Hello.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Earl.
Good evening. Okay. We're expecting this moment to happen.
Yeah, actually, there are 6 of us joining from Bukidnon, and this is a representation of how, because we are agriculture-centered province, and this is our representation that we chose to be with the Miss Philippines because this is a good platform and only pageant that really advocates for something, and that is for the own good, a shared responsibility, which is the goodness for our environment. So I am so grateful to be part of your top 5.
You're so happy you're part of this great legacy. Okay, Talakagunon, here is the final question. How would you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
As we celebrate our silver lining anniversary, or the 25th year of Miss Philippines Earth, we have said that we have been committed to making our environment a good one. And each of the ladies here shared a same responsibility and a goal, which is to protect our Mother Earth. Despite different advocacies and different stands, we are here as queens, not only for glitz and glamour, but of course as inspiration to everyone, especially to the youth, that Miss Philippines Earth pageant is not only for beauty, but for a cause, because we are eco warriors. Thank you so much.